Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by shutting off the main water supply and opening a nearby faucet to relieve pressure. This prevents a spray when you work. Next, drain the section you'll access and place a bucket and towels under the joint. Grab the compression valve, a tube cutter, adjustable wrench, emery cloth, and PTFE tape. Make sure the valve size matches the 1/2 or 3/8 supply line. Once done, clean the pipe end, where the ferrule seats, so the new valve will seal properly. You now loosen the compression nut with one wrench while holding the valve body with another. This prevents torque on the pipe. Remove the nut and slide off the old ferrule. If it's seized, cut away a small 1/8 section and redebber the pipe with emery cloth until round. Next, test fit the new valve and make sure the valve spindle aligns with access space. Then wrap PTFE tape around male threads about 3 turns. This complements the compression seal and reduces potential. You install the new compression nut and ferrule, hand-starting the nut so threads run true, then snug it with a wrench and add roughly 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Do not over-tighten, which can deform the ferrule. Once in place, slowly turn the main water back on and watch the joint for weeps or drips. If you see a small leak, tighten slightly. If it continues, shut water off, disassemble, inspect the ferrule and pipe seat, and replace the ferrule or recut the pipe before reassembly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.